Welcome. We're glad to have you here. Today we'll explore how modern farming feeds the world from soil to supermarket. Did you know that 1 acre of farmland today can feed over 100 people? That's incredible. Thanks to advancements in technology, modern farming techniques like precision agriculture and vertical farming are transforming how we produce food. Drones and sensors help farmers monitor crops in real time, optimizing water and nutrient use. Plus, hydroponics and aquaponics allow us to grow fresh produce in urban areas, reducing the need for transportation. This means fresher food on our plates and a smaller carbon footprint. It's amazing how innovation is reshaping our relationship with food and ensuring we can feed a growing population sustainably. In the past, a single farmer struggled to grow enough food just for their family. Fast forward to today, and technology has transformed farming into a powerhouse of productivity. With tractors that plow fields in record time, drones that monitor crop health from above, and AI that predicts weather patterns and optimizes yields, one farmer can now feed hundreds. It's incredible how innovation has turned agriculture into a high-tech operation, ensuring that we not only grow more food, but do it sustainably. This is the future of farming, where every seed sown is backed by data and precision. Healthy crops truly begin with healthy soil. Farmers today are testing their soil like never before, using advanced methods to analyze its nutrient content. By incorporating organic matter like compost and cover crops, they boost soil structure and fertility. Precision nutrients are then applied based on specific soil needs, ensuring that every plant gets exactly what it requires to thrive. This tailored approach not only enhances crop yield, but also promotes sustainability, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. It's a win-win for the environment and our food supply. Drip irrigation and soil moisture sensors are game changers in water conservation. Imagine a system that delivers water directly to the roots of plants, minimizing evaporation and runoff. That's drip irrigation. It can save millions of gallons of water each year. Pair that with soil moisture sensors, which monitor the exact moisture levels in the ground, and you get a precise watering schedule. This means no more overwatering or underwatering. Farmers can optimize their resources, boost crop yields, and protect our precious water supply. It's smart farming at its best, making every drop count. Drones are revolutionizing agriculture by scanning fields with incredible precision. They fly over crops, using advanced sensors to identify issues like pests or nutrient deficiencies. This data is processed in real time, allowing farmers to pinpoint problem areas down to the centimeter. Imagine a tractor guided by this information, applying fertilizers or pesticides only where needed, reducing waste and boosting yields. It's like having a high-tech partner in the field, ensuring every inch of land is optimized for growth. This technology not only saves time and resources, but also promotes sustainable farming practices. The future of agriculture is here, and it's airborne. GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, are often misunderstood. They're not some sci-fi experiment. They're a tool that enhances our food supply. By tweaking the DNA of seeds, scientists can boost crop yields, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. This means farmers can grow more food with fewer chemicals, which is better for the environment. Plus, some GMOs are engineered to pack more nutrients, helping to combat malnutrition in vulnerable populations. While concerns about safety exist, extensive research shows that GMOs are safe to eat. Ultimately, they're a crucial part of feeding a growing global population. Fertilizers are often seen as just chemicals, but they're actually vital food for plants. Let's break it down. NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the big three nutrients that fuel plant growth. Nitrogen boosts leafy growth, phosphorus supports root development, and potassium enhances overall health. But that's not all. Micronutrients like iron and zinc play crucial roles too, even in tiny amounts. When plants get balanced nutrition, they thrive, leading to bigger, healthier harvests. So think of fertilizers as a gourmet meal for your plants, ensuring they get everything they need to flourish. Farmers today are like eco-warriors, battling pests from aphids to fungi without harming the environment. They're turning to natural predators like ladybugs to feast on those pesky aphids. Instead of harsh chemicals, they use organic sprays made from plants, which are safer for the soil and beneficial insects. Crop rotation disrupts the life cycles of pests, while cover crops enrich the soil and boost biodiversity. Even fungi play a role. Some are used to outcompete harmful pathogens. It's all about creating a balanced ecosystem where nature does the heavy lifting, ensuring our crops thrive sustainably. Ever seen a tomato harvester in action? It's incredible. Picture this: a massive machine gliding through the fields, its mechanical arms gently shaking the plants, while ripe tomatoes tumble into waiting bins. It's efficient, harvesting hundreds of tons in a single day. Now, compare that to manual harvesting. Workers carefully pluck each tomato by hand, inspecting for ripeness. And it's a labor-intensive process that can take weeks. The difference is staggering. Machines save time and labor, but they can't match the precision of skilled hands. Each method has its place, but when it comes to scale, the harvester reigns supreme. From the moment a potato is harvested, it embarks on an incredible journey. Farmers carefully dig them up, ensuring they're intact. Next, they're washed and sorted, with only the best making the cut. Then it's off to the processing plant, where they're sliced, blanched, and fried to perfection. After that, they're frozen and packaged, ready for delivery. Trucks transport them to grocery stores and restaurants, where they finally reach your plate as crispy fries. It's a fascinating process that transforms a simple crop into a beloved snack, all thanks to the hard work of many hands along the way. Farmers today are revolutionizing agriculture with technology. Imagine using satellites to monitor crop health from space or mobile apps to track weather patterns in real time. Cloud platforms store vast amounts of data, helping farmers decide the perfect time to plant and what crops will thrive. This data-driven approach is like a new kind of fertilizer, enriching our fields with insights. By harnessing these tools, farmers are not just growing food, they're cultivating smarter, more sustainable practices that feed our future. It's a game changer for agriculture. Imagine a world where we can grow more food while using fewer resources. Regenerative farming is a game changer, focusing on soil health and biodiversity. By rotating crops, we break pest cycles and enhance nutrient uptake, leading to stronger yields. And let's not forget cover crops. These green heroes protect the soil, prevent erosion, and even fix nitrogen, enriching the ground for future harvests. Together, these practices not only boost productivity, but also create a sustainable ecosystem. It's time to rethink our approach to farming and embrace methods that nourish both our land and our future. Extreme weather is a farmer's daily reality. When floods hit, we adapt by planting cover crops that protect the soil and absorb excess water. During droughts, we turn to drip irrigation, delivering water directly to the roots, conserving every precious drop. Heat waves? We shift planting schedules, choosing heat-resistant crops that thrive in rising temperatures. It's a constant balancing act, but innovation keeps us resilient. By embracing technology and sustainable practices, we ensure that despite the challenges, we continue to feed our communities and support the planet. Is organic always better? Let's break it down. Organic farming often uses fewer chemicals, which is great for the environment and our health. However, yields can be lower, meaning more land is needed to produce the same amount of food. On the flip side, conventional farming can boost yields and lower costs, but it often relies on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides that can harm ecosystems. So while organic might be cleaner, it's not always the most efficient. It's a balancing act between sustainability, cost, and productivity. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your values and priorities. Imagine a world where skyscrapers aren't just homes and offices, but thriving farms. Urban agriculture is transforming rooftops and walls into vertical food factories. Picture fresh herbs growing in hydroponic systems, tomatoes ripening under LED lights, and bees buzzing around rooftop hives. This isn't just a trend, it's a solution to food deserts and climate change. By utilizing these vertical spaces, cities can reduce transportation emissions, provide fresh produce to local communities, and even create green jobs. It's a sustainable revolution, turning concrete jungles into lush, productive landscapes. Who knew the future of farming could be so high up? Imagine walking through a field where drones zip overhead, monitoring crop health in real time. Startups are transforming agriculture with AI crop monitors that analyze soil conditions and predict yields, making farming smarter and more efficient. Then there are autonomous tractors equipped with cutting-edge technology, plowing fields without a driver in sight. These innovations not only boost productivity, but also tackle labor shortages. With precision farming, we're reducing waste and maximizing resources, ensuring a sustainable future for food production. The future of agriculture is here, and it's driven by technology that empowers farmers like never before. In just 25 years, we'll hit 10 billion people on this planet. That's a staggering number. Agriculture faces a monumental challenge to keep up. Innovations like vertical farming and lab-grown meat are emerging, promising to boost food production while using less land and water. Imagine crops thriving in urban skyscrapers or meat produced without raising animals. But it's not just about technology. Sustainable practices like regenerative farming are crucial to restore our soil and ecosystems. The future of food is not just about quantity, but quality and sustainability. Can we rise to the occasion? The clock is ticking. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves smart farming.